Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Happy summer vacations. As you all know, it's time for your summer vacations. So you also have to do some activities and tasks given to you in this summer vacation. So let's start. Communication skills English or English. In this you have many interesting activities you will do in your summer vacations. I will explain it to you. Let's start. First activity is about paragraph writing. You will write short paragraph on Eid al-Fitr, how you enjoy this Eid with your family. In this paragraph, you will write 4 to 5 lines on how you celebrate Eid al-Fitr with your family. A short paragraph, okay? The next activity is about preposition like and, but, so, or, because. Let's learn what are these prepositions. And is used between two things in addition. ओके जब भी हम किसी चीज़ के अंदर कुछ ऐड करेंगे तो हम एंड यूज़ करेंगे. बट इज़ यूज्ड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट हाउएवर, अलबत्ता, लेकिन, मगर. जब भी हम ऐसी चीज़ें यूज़ करेंगे तो हम preposition कौन सी यूज़ करेंगे? बट. सो इज़ यूज्ड फॉर एनी कॉज और रीज़न, किसी भी वजह के लिए. और इज़ यूज फॉर चॉइसेस, यानी जब भी हमने दो में से किसी एक चीज़ को सिलेक्ट करना हो तो हम चॉइसेस में और को यूज़ करते हैं. एंड बिकॉज इज़ यूज व्हेन वी गिव रीजंस. ओके, लर्न फ्रॉम द एग्जाम्पल. ही इज़ 10 एंड शी इज़ 12. नाउ एंड इज़ यूज बिकॉज वी आर इन एडिशन. ही इज़ 10 and she is 12. My mom and dad are teachers. Here and is also used in addition. My mom and dad are teachers. The next example, it is sunny and hot, but I like it. However, I like it. Okay? But is used with however. I love coffee, but she loves tea. I love coffee, however, but she loves tea. अलबत्ता उसे टी पसंद है. शी इज़ 50 बट शी लुक्स मच यंगर. वो 50 साल की है लेकिन वो बहुत जवान दिखती है अपनी एज से. द नेक्स्ट इज़ ही लॉस्ट हिज की सो ही कांट गेट इन. उसने अपनी की गुमा दी जिसकी वजह से वो अंदर नहीं आ सकता. आई एम हंग्री सो लेट्स गेट समथिंग टू ईट. हेयर सो इज़ यूज फॉर कॉज, कि वो भूखा है तो कुछ खा लेते हैं. इट्स गोइंग टू रेन. नाउ लुक एट दिस एग्जाम्पल. सो लेट्स स्किप द बीच, कि बारिश होने वाली है तो हम बीच पर नहीं जाते. द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज फॉर और. डू यू प्ले द गिटार और द ड्रम्स? नाउ लुक एट दिस एग्जाम्पल. देयर आर टू चॉइसेस. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट चॉइसेस वी राइट और. हु इज टॉलर, जो और टॉम? So in this example there are two choices, Joe or Tom. The last preposition is because. She isn't at school because she is sick. So because is used for reasons. She is sick. This is the reason. They are dancing because they are happy. So they are happy is the reason. So we are using because. Now let's do the activity. In this activity you will complete these sentences with writing and, but, or, so, because. The first example is we aren't going to the park because it's raining. यहाँ पर क्या है? We are giving reason, so we are using because. I don't have any money, so I will go to the bank. Cause क्या है कि मेरे पास मनी नहीं है तो मैं बैंक जाऊंगा. And in the next sentence there is addition. She doesn't like vegetables and fish. So you will do this activity by using and, or, so, but, or because. The next activity is about letter writing. So in this we will write a letter to our friend in which we will talk about our plans for the summer vacations. You can also write the name of your friend, dear friend or dear Amna. So you will discuss the summer plans with your friends in this summer what you are going to do. And at the last of the letter you will write the salutation. And the next activity is about paragraph writing. In this you will write a paragraph by using this word bank. These are the word bank given to you for your help, like crocodiles, tigers, monkeys, bear. So you will write this paragraph like you have written in your paper. Last Sunday we visited a zoo. We saw many animals there, like first we saw crocodiles and then tigers. So in this way you will write the paragraph. Your next activity is about comprehension. In this you will read the passage carefully and then answer the following questions or MCQs given below, like the first one I have done. Animals that eat only meat are called carnivores. You can read the passage carefully and then answers the following MCQs. So this is your comprehension activity. The next one is also comprehension activity. You will read this paragraph, but this paragraph is short. You will read the paragraph and then answer the following questions. First, you will answer the questions and then you will describe the words. Like in the paragraph, I saw three pretty white horses. So, horses are pretty. So, you will write pretty horses. And in the last question, you will match the suitable words with their meanings. And at the last, you will make sentences with the words. Like fun. I have made a sentence. We had fun at the zoo. So, in this way, you will make the following sentences. These are your activities. Do it in your summer vacation. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.